And when the star explodes, it sends out a huge amount of material. These charged particles are thrown into space
One of these particles
with lots and lots of energy,
enters our solar system
comes into the atmosphere.
and crashes into an earthly atmospheric particle. And in that moment,
Energy is transferred to the atmospheric particle.
essentially it hands off a little bit of energy, causing that newly energized atmospheric particle to start descending towards Earth.
Correct.
But on its way down, it smacks into a couple other particles.
And so you get this cascade. It's a shower of all these particles. From the top, it will look like a Christmas tree.
Down at sea level,
This weekend's general election.
down on the surface,
A divided country, Belgium is going to the polls.
The electronic system that was counting the votes in Belgium, humming along, in its own way.
2 to the 6th power.
tallying the votes by turning on those light bulbs. Now, the switch that turns on those light bulbs is called a transistor.
And that creates binary ones and zeros.
When it's on, it sends out a little bit of electricity switching on a bulb. But the thing is, these transistors can be tricked into turning on. So imagine
Suddenly, this particle from outer space
comes zooming down and enters that voting machine, hitting precisely the transistor that controls that 13th bit.
and that instant,
The transistor is tricked and sends out a burst of electricity to that 13th position.
2 to the 12th power.
and the bit flipped.
A 0 was changed to a 1, and from the heavens, those 4,096 votes appeared.